All right, trying out to see how it's going to work now with the stream and to see if I can perform a little bit better today than I did yesterday. So we got the chart up and running. All right, trying out to see how it's going to work now with the stream and to see if I can perform a little bit better today than I did yesterday. We got the zones up, ready to go. It seemed to be a quite slow day. So we got the chart up and running. Trying out to see how it's going to work now with the stream and to see if I can perform a little bit. Okay, there seem to be stuck in two zones right now. Nothing amazing yet. Hopefully we get some moves when London open or when Nasdaq open. Until then, we just have to sit back and relax. Two zones right now. Nothing amazing yet. Hopefully we get some moves when London open or when two zones right now. Nothing amazing yet. I'm gonna make timestamps later so I can see when I actually join a trade or not. Trade or not. Right here. I did try to push it up. It did close above the former closing level, right? But it didn't go anywhere after that. Trade or not. Right here. I did try to push it up. It did close above the former closing level, right? But it didn't go anywhere after that. Trade or not. Right here. I did try to push it up. It did close above the former closing level, right? But it didn't go anywhere after that. Trade or not. Right here. I did try to push it up. It did close up. I have to excuse my sound settings. I'm still working on them to make it sound better. I have to excuse my sound settings. I'm still working on them to make it sound better. Yeah, we have a very tight range. I usually do the pips by 10 pips here to see how much the candle's actually moving with the volume, so I don't get tricked by the visual that, oh, it looks big, but it's not. It's only a few pips, right? So we do 10, and then we can zoom out from there and work on that level. All right, I'm gonna grab a cup of coffee. It's still not open yet. Probably only you watching this later, Kim, so you know what timestamp it starts, so don't panic. That is a perfect tap right here. We got countdown. We got 45 seconds for the open. CVD has gone from positive to a negative. I don't have the full day data also, but they're looking like they're going to sell off a little bit pre-market. Let's check if we have any news before. Should have done this earlier, of course, but let's see. Oh, we have new home sales. 30 minutes, okay. Good to know. So far, I think with this kind of ranging here, oh, here we go. That is a nice tap. I'm not going to take this one because it's in my zone. So that's just a lock of the draw. If it flips, it's probably going to tank. But I mean, if it's in the zone, it's in the zone. There's a lot of cells coming in. That is a lot of cells got absorbed as well. But so far, happy I didn't take that trade because, well, my stop loss would have been up here. So that would have been stopped out if I took this trade. Wow, they're really pumping. That was a ugly wicket start. No problem. We work with what we have. Now, on the other hand, now it's really to show its intention, right? We have big volume on the way up. Quite big. But anyway, let's mark out daily open, NY open here. So we are above yesterday's open as well. Wow, they're really pushing. Well, it's not that many pips, right? Have to take that in mind. Considerate. Is it going to go all the way up? Okay. Like, for example, yesterday, that was a nice sell because it went up to the zone and it wasn't in a zone when it opened, right? So then it had a clear way down as well. But today, like, they already show, like, yeah, we need to defend this spot here. So that's why it wasn't even, it wasn't even a trade today for me. That's right. It's all right. I mean, this has been pumping up, but the CVD is still very, very low on that remark. Let's make a new VWAP at the NY Open. Okay, let's see if it's going to bounce here or we take it down a notch. They're stepping in quite big. Oh, should we take an early trade? Oh, yeah, that would be nice. Well, would have been nice, but it's only that's only 7.5 pip. So on the 1 minute, probably viable. That got rejected hard. Still, they are pumping, getting some buyers flowing in on the time and sales. We got 1.5 minutes for next candle. Okay. Well, if they just take off like this, they're gonna leave me behind because I need my zones for the day. Yeah, that is one candle. If you see if it stop here where they bounce it off for latest. stop, like the 1 minute stop right below, right? So if they show some selling power here, but the buyers have been buying up a lot. Like that's a quite big candle for the Nasdaq, but it's nice. It's not that big. Let's see. Okay, it's 50 pips. That's fairly big. Okay. Okay. Wow. They really want it up. Okay, let's put a sell there. If it's reject at 200. Very bullish. Very bullish, but it is a trade. Even if it fails, it is a trade. What do we have? 7. We have 8 pips down there. Yeah, Nasdaq woke up with a real happy mood, huh? 72 is the VWAP, so that's also 85, 72 if they want to make a retest, but my god, it's pumping. So this would be a better reaction sell at these levels up here. We'll see. I did try to flip one time, right? They got rejected right away. 75 VWAP. So that's a 10 pip. But the VWAP is climbing up. I'm talking about the NY session VWAP. My god, they are buying. Okay, it touched this upper top step level, but they keep buying, so maybe we will have a very bullish day, but usually they don't just pop off like this. Not a 1 minute trader yet, so we have sellers stepping in, but they're not getting very far, are they? So this would be better if one more 5-minute candle actually close below the zone for the bulls, for the bears to actually show that they're being serious, because now they have shown a very great strength in buying this up, right? The VWAP at 77 and my sell order is at 85, so that's only 7 pip. Okay, they have stopped buying a little bit. Oh. So I like this sell because VWAP is so high up now. I'm waiting for the next flip. I'm taking this away because the VWAP, if they want to make a retest, you see it's right at 78. That would only give me, maximum 7 pips before it actually happens. So I will be tagged in here. Is it a VWAP retest or not? I have 1 minute for next candle. Okay. So far that would have been a safe trade, but they are defending this level. We have 20 seconds for the next candle, and if that one wick and flip, then I'll join that sell instead, and let it play out. But as long as I don't close in the zone, I'm okay. So up, yeah, take it.
Filled.
Bit slow. Ah, fuck it.
Order filled.
Delay. I should have kept that one again, of course. It's a nice tap, but let's see, maybe we got lucky this time. It's the VWAP. Oh, look at this. Is that 10? But I didn't enter right at the flip. Oh, it make a perfect tap at the bottom as well, huh? That's where we had the VWAP from NY Open. So it might just shoot up. I was a bit unlucky here. I with the delay. When I closed my order, it was looking better than 22 euro. It's good. They are respecting the VWAP. If we can get a close below that one, it's a good sell, right? Yeah. Okay. That would have been 10 pip from my entry with like almost zero drawdown. Yeah. Let's see. We are establishing some volume below anyway. Okay, Kim, you could have been up 200 euro by now if you took and hold that trade. That would have been a great day. Start. Idiot. So yeah, trade one. According to the strategy, it's good. Okay, we see a little bit buyers stepping in on time and sales. Nothing crazy. Okay, if we are closing above this and tap and retest, we might be able to have a bounce up. But for now, they're looking quite well. Of course, they're looking bearish now because we have a giant red candle rejection here. We are below the VWAP, but that's how they do as well. The CVD is still not very, very negative. It's only about 124 now. So we haven't done much since open, actually. We were up 900 for a while, I think. I will have to review one more time. Okay, shouldn't be able to turn off now. If you have lost my voice, I'm here again. Ah, fucking hell. That's one trade I lost again. That was a perfect entry. Not perfect entry, I mean, but it was a solid entry. I didn't get the flip, and I usually want to have the sell stop or a buy stop at the level where the flip, right? So that's why I got in a little bit late, took profit too early, of course. But we are closing in on the next, and We are going up towards the NY session VWAP. 15 seconds. Oh, it's beautiful. Are they going to go above? Okay. Oh, come on. Oh, this is a tricky one. You see, it's just at the zone. It didn't tap the upper zone yet, so I can't take this trade even though I would like to. Not even the body here, so that's not a valid trade for me. In my book, I mean. Okay, we're testing the VWAP. That's a nice bounce. I mean, if they pushed up again to like here, then I could take a sell if it flips after that, but it didn't go all the way, so let's wait for that. Oh, this is not below the zone, right? So it's kind of a stupid trade because it's right at the VWAP. But yeah, this is a bad trade. I don't like this at all, but
Order filled.
let's see how it does. Yeah, bounce at the VWAP. Bastards. I shouldn't take it when it's just at the VWAP. That is stupid. Oh, the buyers are in control here. Yeah, that's going to be a stop loss, unfortunately. Fucking sellers. Can never trust them, huh? Oh, you're going up. Yeah.
Order filled.
Okay, what we learned today is don't take a trade right at the VWAP. That's going to burn you out. If I'm going to redo it, yeah. What do we got for next 2 minutes? So this is a failed trade setup for the first one, but if they break it down again, I think we can go lower than that. Yeah, 1 minute for the next 5-minute candle. Let's see where they take us. Oh, they're pumping now. Huh? Should have listened to myself about the weave up there. That's a bit frustrating. We can see here that it bounced. It didn't break. Should have shown some momentum to break. Okay, now we only have a few seconds left, so I'm gonna close this trade here. We are in the zone right now, so that could be a buy or a sell. Just for journaling, I'm feeling either to take a pressure if it goes up and weak here because I have a loss, right? But let's try and play a little bit smart. See what it actually does. Oh, I like that song. I mean, the buyers are there, but of course you don't want to tap. It did tap the lower zone on the 1 minute, but not buying the flip here on the upside. I'll leave that for the Brave. Let the Brave make money. Okay. Okay, they're struggling. Where do we have? They're trying. Okay, we are under the weave up. They're still fighting for it. They don't want to let it go. 77. They're still buying, right? Okay. Oh, we got the Bulls Club today. See if we can close below on the 1 minute there. We'll see if we can close below here. If I can't wait for the full 5 minute, but it's still, they're still holding on, huh? Oh, the Bulls are really in charge. Give us a nice close here and we can do something about it. 1.5 minutes. So we up 77.5. $77.5 is just above. Ah, fuck it. I want to sell. But let's wait and see what they do. Okay. Nasdaq is pumping. Even here is a good value level. But it looks like they already made up their mind, right? There is some zone here, but that is top step level. I don't... Weekly kickoff, yeah. Market's super bullish today for some reason. Well, not super bullish. I mean, they did one grab here that looked very, very grim, right? Here we go. But they are extremely bullish, so it feels bad doing this as well. But it is on the topper zone here, right? The bulls, they keep buying like crazy. Wow. Okay, that sell doesn't feel so good anymore. They totally blew through this former top here. Nasdaq. I'm gonna start trading Dow. Fuck Nasdaq. Everybody wants a piece of the NAS. We have news coming in 2.5 minutes as well. Home sales. Not super excited if I'm in a trade when that hit. Okay, Kim, if you're when you're hearing this, remember, don't take a trade right at the VWAP. Let it break first or let it bounce, right? That's why we took the loss today and the other one as well. Like the trade didn't play out, so we would only been down 100 instead of being down 300. 1.5 minute. Looks like they want to keep it up here. Huh? One minute and it's pumping before news. Someone got the data beforehand. In 20 seconds, so I'm gonna Remove myself. Let's see if it action today. I would like to take the sell just because, but that is kind of amateur because I don't have a zone. But if it drops here, it's probably gonna be a good. Well, if it drops, of course, it's gonna be a good trade if it drops. But I mean, running out of steam.
Order filled.
This is an impulsive trade. Right there, they start picking up the buys again. Okay, the buyers stepping in there, but they didn't have enough volume, so they might make a push up just to take people out before the drop. But yeah, we'll see. Yeah, they're not going anywhere. Right. Okay, since I'm quite screwed on this account right now anyway, I'll just let it play out. There they break the new top, the book map, you can see. Oh, fuck it. Not a good day for me today. They make a new high on the book map, we can see that, right? So the bears just didn't have enough power. Oh, shit. Well, evaluation count looks like it's gonna bust soon. Okay, we made a little bit impact there, but not much. I mean, there seems to be in buyers stacking up on the NAS. They don't want to make it going lower today, it seems. They want to push the highs. Okay, there we broke a little bit below. Let's see if they can show some momentum now. If it breaks up now again, that was a failed attempt, right? So then I could just cut my losses and be done with it. But let's see how this plays out anyway, because, well, if I have to reset my account, that's that, right? Time and sells looking like they want to make it a break, but they're just new buyers all the time. Like, get some profit, take some profit, get out, be happy about it. Okay, we broke there, and I'm gonna
Order
close.
filled.
That was a good close. I'm happy about that. They are struggling. Holy Christ, the buyers just keep stepping in all the time. We don't have any fun zone here. Let's make it like that. 30 seconds. Sorry. I need to see if we have anything on the left here. Okay, good. Something on the left there. But I have to close below, right? 4 seconds. Close below, close below. Ah, straight on the line. Oh, a little bit below. Open a little bit below. Yeah, they're pushing again, huh? Feel that we can then drop. Buyers be buying. It's like there's no end to the bulls today. Holy Christ. They don't want to let it drop at all. CVD is not impressive though, so I mean we don't have 4,000, 6,000 or whatever. View up is far down, but they are still buying, so you should just wait until they show a little bit bear sentiment, like now. We have some sellers stepping up on
Order
the.
filled.
Holy fuck! They just tapped and then just went straight up. But this was a brave sell though. But we have 45. They're gonna take it and then they're gonna push up my stop loss and then bring it down. I think this was quite okay anyway. We had a big wick, you know. They didn't just do it. They're gonna
Order
take
filled.
liquidity. Yeah, not a good day. $470 buys there. If you're watching Boom, this is not a good day for me. I don't know the zoom tool on Top Step. Oh, that was a good sell. That was a good sell, or valid. Big wicks though. Yeah, the first trade where I got the VWAP trade, that was a bad trade. The second one I stand for, that was a valid entry. The higher top, it just Nasdaq is so damn bullish, so they didn't give a fuck today. That was 5.5 pips maximum. So yeah, let it play out. It was quick though. I think it just took my order and then boom, went up. Now you want to wake up? Also practicing to hold the trades out until we do some real account trading. So what we need a closure below there, right? Before we enter next one. Because right now there is blind up here. Not even a retest under the former top. That's my issue here. Didn't even try this one on the sell. That means that there are very many bulls, and we had the liquidity as well on the top, right? But they just gobble it up. There are buyers stacking up here on Bookmap. You can see like they're just filling orders. There we go. There we go. A little bit effort to sell, right? But it's a bullish day. But this is the last trade I am doing, and this is kind of a revenge trade, I guess, because it's not below, and they just keep buying. So yeah, that's a bad trade. I'm not going to do that. Wait until there's some kind of confirmation, but the time is running out for today's session. Buyers be buying. Some days you just can't short the market, right? And I should maybe have listened to myself. Well, the VWAP trade was bad, but this trade was fair. I mean, we have a former top, so I don't think that's a bad trade. Every time they try to push it down, they just pump it, huh? But we're having some. Maybe they don't have enough momentum to keep pushing this up right now. But they still do. Okay. This is insane. Straight up. 24 pips is not like there. I'm frustrated now is because I don't have any zones up here, right? So I can't see what's going on.
Order filled.
Oh, they just keep pumping today. I can close it right now because it's going to take it out. Super strong close on the 1 minute there.
Order
you know,
filled.
NAS is pumping today. Doesn't matter much this for last trade because it's still for the reset. Daily loss limit have to be reached, right?
Order filled.
Well, it does matter because it's a bad trade, but nothing much to lose at this moment, at this time. I think it's gonna be a big fall, because like the buyers are there, like they just keep buying, but still they're like, who's buying? Fed. Like you see the order book is like really, really red. So all these onesies and twosies just buy it up. Are they just waiting for one? They were waiting for the new 1 minute candle. That's it. Okay. It looks like there's some exhaustion going on, right? But every time they want to like try and sell it down, they just keep buying. So I just got on the wrong side of the market today. Which sucks, you know. I had a good run, but today wasn't my day. There we go. Wow, they are bringing in the sales strong, the buyers strong now. It's a 5 minute. There's, yeah, I talked about there's exhaustion, but it seems like they don't care at all about that today. They just keep buying. I don't like that. I need up and down for my strategy. Okay, now it's starting to look like it's going to break down here. Starting to look. The buyers can step in at any second, right? And just, oh, here we go.
Order
This is
filled.
going to be a big sell if it actually sells off, I think. Okay, that's one win at least. 50 minutes in. Look at this. They just buy it up right away. Amazing. But what it does give us, it gives us a new zone where the bears actually did step in, right? So they did a retest there. Okay, only quitters quit. Good news is that I let it run. Wow, look at this. I should have. No, woulda, shoulda, coulda. But I should have lowered the target. We'll see. 3.5 minutes for the next candle, or 2.5 minutes for the next candle, and they are buying again. Look at that wick. And the 1 minute on the left side. Like, this is what I expected from the earlier trade, right? Like, give some breathing room, get some liquidity, you know, not just pump it, pump it, pump it. But the important thing when I'm trading is now to hold the trades, the good trades, of course, like hold the trades that is according to my playbook. And these days like these will be bad with loss, but I still have made more money on the good days that cover the bad days. That's important to get the trading actually viable for a future. Cannot fuck around with small trades. If it and don't take the trade at the VWAP, Kim. Dumbass. Okay, we see here on the 1 minute go up quite nice and breaking this former wick here. That is a little bit sign that they're doing something, but not much to work with right now. They had intense buying all the way up. All right, when I review this, I have to check on how I reacted on my first, the first trade that I could have taken would have been a good one, right? I think. But the second one, the VWAP, how I react after that. So, was I thinking clearly? Like, did I do a good trade? Did I analyze it correctly? That is what we need to know. And the buyers are still buying, but it seems to be has slowed down a little bit. Well, quite much, frankly. Got 30 minutes, but what we need is a tap here for a sell, right? And that is quite far up. Well, not that far for, but for the volume today. Quite far up for the volume, I mean. If the buyers don't have enough power to go up here, like then it is what it is, right? You're not gonna go up. You don't have the momentum to do it, do you? You're already tired. If you do, yeah, the NAS is NAS. If you do, then I'm gonna put a sell here for sure. But I don't think you have the steam. I think you're gonna drop before that. Yeah, the 1 minute is looking very, very tired. Yeah, this is going to drop now in the 1 minute already breaking down from the structure. They might of course make a try. And when I'm saying big drop, I just mean above 10 pip TP. All right, but it's nice to see anyway. Look at this. It's beautiful. Now they're finally stepping in, or letting them step in. Well, Kim, you know what you have to work on. We have 3 minutes for the next candle as well, so that's oof. That's a nice 1 minute tap here. I didn't look. I didn't know if it go up or down first, because if the buyer's already there, picking it up, I don't want to have part of it right now. Not yet. But now it's making an effort. The bulls say, "Yeah, let's go, buddy. Bulls go." Bears are back on the menu. So according to my strategy, it's quite late in the trading New York session here. I don't know if they have enough steam to flip this one and then go up. I would rather have it a retest here. Wow, look at this one, 1 minute as well. Yeah, that's a nice. That's a good job. Okay, next candle is gonna be my last trade. That's 1 hour. Today was bad, as we can tell. Ended up with a 10 TP win at the end. Could have been bigger, but that's what we work with, and yeah, that's how it is. This wick here touched this wick there. That's how far they pushed it up first time. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute for the grand finale. Reflection is like, when I see them bounce like this and they didn't bounce on the former level where I thought it would be more accurate at the former top, right? Double top. That tends to make me a little bit frustrated, of course, because according to my trading book, like double top is a good sell if they show reaction at the former candle. This one, they showed a rejection there, right? So I think it was a solid sell there, but they just wanted to push it up more. Okay, 10 seconds. Are the Bears gonna ruin this trade with? Look at this 1 minute. Oh my god! I have to take the sell if it touched that zone above. Then I'm gonna hotkey it. Come on, come on, come on, Bears. Come on, Bulls. You can do it. No, not yet. Not yet. God damn it. Okay, down to the VWAP. We want to end with a bang? No, don't want to end with a bang. Then the bang would be a buy here. Right now, that would be the bang. touch the yellow line, this zone. So we have this rejection right on top. Need to doing U30 again. The pips are bigger there. U30, that would be a 10 pip trade for sure. Well, time for me to do my duties. Thank you for watching, Kim. Always appreciate